Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says evaluate 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of minus x equals to 4. So we are going to evaluate this for us to find the solution of x. For the question, we are given 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of minus x equals to 4. Before we continue, we need to recall that, say note, when we have a to the power of minus x is same thing as 1 all over a to the power of x. So we are going to apply this through to where we have 2 to the power of minus x. So this will become 2 to the power of x plus 1 all over 2 to the power of x equals to 4. So doing, we can say let 2 to the power of x equals to u. So we are going to substitute u in the place where we have 2 to the power of x. So this will become u plus 1 all over u equals to 4. And here, for us to clear this fraction, because 1 all over u is a fraction, we have to multiply all through by u. So this will become u times u plus 1 all over u times u equals to 4 times u. In this case, u cancel here and u cancel here. We are now left with u to the power of 2. U times 2 is u to the power of 2 plus, this is 1 all over 1, which is equals to 1, equals to 4 times u, we have 4u. We have to move this to this left-hand side. So this will become u to the power of 2. When this transposed into this other side, become minus 4u plus 1 equals to 0. So this has turned out to become a quadratic equation. And here, for us to find the value of u, we need to use a quadratic formula, which is in the form u equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. So from our question here, our u to the power of 2 minus 4u plus 1 equals to 0. Where from this equation, the parenthesis a here equals to 1 because the coefficient of u to the power of 2 is 1, and also the coefficient of u here, which is b, equals to minus 4, and the constant here, which is our c, equals to 1. Substituting this parameter into this quadratic formula, we have the value of u equals to, this minus b will become minus into minus 4, then we have plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 is minus 4 all to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 1, all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. So the value of u will become minus times minus 4 will give us 4, plus or minus, we have square root of minus 4 to the power of 2 become 16. Then we have minus 4 times 1 will become minus 4, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So in this case, our value of u equals to 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 become, this is square root of 12 all over 2. This is the same thing as, we can rewrite this as 4 plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 all over 2. We split this 12 into 4 times 3. So in this case, because we want to find the root of 4 so that we'll be able to simplify this. So this u will become 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. So remaining root 3 all over 2. So we can separate this. By separating that, we have 4 all over 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 2. In this case, 2 cancel here 1 and 2 cancel here 2. 2 cancel here 1 and 2 cancel here 1. Therefore, for that, we have the value of u as u equals to, that remain 2 plus or minus, this remain 1 times root 3, which is root 3. So this is the value of u that we have. And we have two solutions from here because it is plus or minus. where we have u1 equals to 2 plus root 3 and also u2 equals to 2 minus root 3. And we recall we said our u equals to 2 to the power of x. So we are going to substitute to where we have the value of u as the value of each of these u1 and u2. We say at u1 equals to 2 plus root 3. So here will become 2 to the power of x equals to 2 plus root 3. So in this case, for us to find the value of x, we need to apply log to both sides. So this will become log 2 to the power of x equals to log 2 plus root 3. So for here, we recall, say note, when we have log a to the power of x is same thing as x log a. So doing, the value of x here can further be simplified or evaluated as x log 2 equals to log 2 plus root 3. So for us to find the value of x in this equation, we need to divide both sides by log 2. So this will become x log 2 all over log 2 equals to log 2 plus root 3 all over log 2. In this case, log 2 will cancel here and log 2 will cancel here. We have the value of x as we need to clean this. So here, as the value of x equals to log 2 plus root 3 all over log 2. So this is the value of x. We also recall, say note, when we have log a all over log b is same thing as log a base b. So this is change of base method. So here, x here can be written as log 2 plus root 3 base 2. So this is the value of x1 that we have at u1 equals to 2 plus root 3. So let's look at u2 where we have u2 equals to 2 minus root 3. And also our u here will be 2 to the power of x was equals to u. So substituting the value of u in this place, we have 2 to the power of x equals to 2 minus root 3. So here, the same thing we need to apply log to both sides. So this will become log 2 to the power of x equals to log 2 minus root 3. So here, as the same method that we use here, that we said log a to the power of x equals to x log a. So this will give us x log 2 equals to log 2 minus root 3. So doing, we need to divide both sides by log 2. So this will be divided by log 2 and here will be divided by log 2. Log 2 here will cancel here and log 2 will cancel here. So here, the x here, we need to clean this. So the value of x from here will become x equals to log 2 minus root 3 all over log 2. So the same thing application that we did here, this will become x equals to log 2 minus root 3 base 2. So this is the value of x2 that we have. We have x1 as this and we also have x2 as this. So we can do a little check for us to see whether the value of x1 and x2 satisfy this equation when we substitute into the given equation. So we say here, check when we have 2 to the power of x. Let's use this. Our x is log 2 plus root 3 base 2. Then we have plus 2 to the power of minus log 2 plus root 3 base 2. Will this equals to 4? So let's find out. From here, we can see that we have 2 to the power of this, and also we have 2 to the power of minus this. So this can be written as 2 to the power of log 2 plus root 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power of this minus is same thing as minus 1. So when we have a situation like this minus 1 can go to the power of this other side. So this will become log 2 plus root 3 all to the power of minus 1 base 2 equals to, well, this equals to 4. So here we need to find out. So from here we recall, we say note, when we have a to the power of log x base a equals to x, when we have the base of a and a here will become x. So this is the value of x when we have this situation. From here we have 2 here and we have 2 here. Therefore the whole of here expression will become 2 plus root 3. Then we have plus the whole of this situation, we have 2 here, we have 2 here, will become 2 plus root 3 to the power of minus 1. Will this equals to 4? So here we can see that this, we can rewrite this as 2 plus root 3 plus 1 all over 2 plus root 3. Will this equals to 4? So let's find out. Before we do that, we need to clean this. So we have here 2 plus root 3. So here will become plus 1 all over 2 plus root 3. Then here is a short form. We can evaluate this by multiplying through by 2 minus root 3 all over 2 minus root 3. Will this equals to 4? So here will become 2 plus root 3 plus, when we multiply this, we will have 2 minus root 3. This is the same thing as 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Will this equals to 4? So in this case, this is the same thing as 2 plus root 3. Then we have plus 2 minus root 3 all over. This is different of 2 square. This is in the form where we have 2 to the power of 2 minus root 3 to the power of 2. So in this case, let's find out whether we have this, will this equals to 4. So here will become 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 all over 2 to the power of 2 is 4. And also minus, then this place 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel here. We are now left with 3. Will this equals to 4? So here will become 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is the same thing as 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Will this equals to 4? You can see that we have plus root 3 here and minus root 3. They cancel each other. So we are now left with 2 plus 2, which is 4 equals to 4. Therefore, what we have on the left-hand side, the one we have on the right-hand side. Therefore, the equation or the value of x equals to log 2 plus root 3 base 2 satisfy this expression. You can put in the other one where we have x2 as log 2 minus root 3 base 2. It will also give us 4 when we substitute into this expression. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.